Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have three amazing websites for you which you can use in your daily life, and these are very useful in your daily life. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any technical video every day. Now the first website I have in my list is 123.com. Yes, that is very useful website, and on this website you will be finding so many of things. The first thing is the video tools, and in this video tools you can able to trim, crop, rotate, flip, change resolution, loop, change volume. Lots of things you can do with your videos just with one click. And these kind of features, if you need, you have to install a heavy software, but here on this website you can do it with one click. Not only this, you can scroll it down here and there is an option you will be finding that is of audio tool. Yes, in audio tool you can also do trim, change speed and pitch, equalizer, reverse audio and voice recorders. So many of things you can also do on this website without installing any software, without doing anything. Very easy to do it. Simply click any one of them and then you have to just upload your audio file and then it will do it for you. So it's very easy to use as well on this website. On the bottom, the best and very important thing which everybody use in their daily life, that is PDF tools. Like you can able to merge any PDF, you can able to change any PDF from PDF to Word to Excel to JPG and PDF to PNG and HTML. These kind of things we have to do it in every day to send our text or to send our files to anyone. We have to change it to Word or to change it to JPG as well. So this is very useful website with so many of features. This website name is 123apps.com. It has 123 feature. And if you need these kind of feature, you have to install 123 application, but here you will be getting everything here on this website. All these features are absolutely free. Simply come on to this website and start using it. So you must try this one. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the second website which is also very useful, and the website name is VancyAI.com. Yes, that is also very useful. What exactly this will do? Now on this website, if you have any blurred photo, if you have any old photo which is not good in shape, then you can come onto this website and it will change it for you. There are some examples here. You can see this one. This photo is look like this one. See, this photo is look like this one. That's the first one, the yellow one. But if I upload this photo on this website and change it to HD, it will come up like this. See this? It will be look like this. That is really amazing. And in the same way you can enhance your photos as well. If your photos look like this, blur photo, any photo, simply it will come up like this as well. And if you have any night photos like this which is not clear, then it will also get cleared on this website. And any old photo which you have in your phone which is very old and you want to make it repaired, then come on to this website and it will be come up like this. Simply what you need to do, you have to just select any one of the options here and click on this start now, and then it will ask you to upload the photo here. You have to upload the photo here on this panel, and it will automatically enhance your photo and give it you a real photo. And that is really easy and very useful as well for everyone. You don't need to go to any photographer or anyone to make it enhanced or to make it repaired as well. So come on to this website, that's VancyAI.com. Very useful website to repair any of the photos. So try this one. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the last website, and the website name is remove.bg. Yes, that is an amazing website. You can able to remove the background from any website just with one click. Simply you have to click on this upload and upload any photo from your computer or from your phone like this. And this is the photo which I have uploaded, and this is the original photo which has a background, but it will get removed within a second like this, and I can able to download it on my computer, able to use it as well. And not only this, I can also click on this edit part, and after that I will be getting so many of options as well. Like I can also change the background of this photo as well. It will come up like this. I can change the background from this one to this one like this. It will also come up like this. I can also change the colors as well. Like if I want to only change the colors, it will also look like this, and then later on I can able to download this one. So it is very useful website. If you want to change the background or change the background colors or anything, then try this website. Is absolutely free to download all the photos which you created. So these are the websites I have right now for you. I hope you like all of them. Link of these website I will be putting in the description. You can check it from there. Any questions, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.